time I turn round, I must put up a fight. Show me a sign before I die. I'm seeing demons in my dreams and I can't stop it. I think death is coming for me and I have to watch it. Sometimes I wanna die. I got so much to lose with 2 kids in my life. My mind is so confused. My soul's abused and bruised. Look at the news, all you see is death, destruction, and natural disasters. Sometimes I feel like asking, are we God's bastards? Tears run down my cheek when I reflect what happened. Snipers shooting with kids on the streets. Project kids getting killed for their sneaks. Mothers fucking up their kids in back of car seats. Katrina relief because the loose sprung a leak. Robberies, rapists, murderers, disorder. World's looking like an echo of Lord on lies put in this earth. In my head it bleeds, it's a seed. All I've seen is drugs and weed. You proceed to breed dealers with envy and greed. How'd I succeed? You got me praying on my knees, make me believe. Send me a sign so I can see, make me believe. Send me a sign so I can see. Give me a sign that I can do right.